Ugh, so sticky. I'm recording. Whee! It's all over my hands. Victoria, pull up your sleeves if you're gonna do that. Pull up
I
your
can just
sleeves.
take off my jacket.
Gotta get this stuff off my hands. Okay.
I'm back.
What's your What the heck? Look what you just did to me.
Sarah.
Thank you.
She got slime in her hair last night.
Thanks for telling the whole freaking nation.
It got on your shine bracelet.
Slime can easily come off. It already got off my hand.
Ah. Wait, can I?
Yeah, you can play with it.
Look. Sarah, can you hold the camera while I do it?
No, because you never did it for me.
Okay. First you do it for me, and I promise I'll do it for you. My fingers want to click.
Fine.
This is a very clickable slime. It's very sticky. Now for my sister's turn. This is our first actual slime that's lasted. Yeah, I tried to make the slime. It turned out bad.
I made her slime, but she keeps it a secret from my mom.
And that is my Rice Krispie treat.
I don't think that anybody wants to know that.
People like Rice Krispies.
You don't know that.
Most people
I
like.
once had a friend in 2nd grade who hated Rice Krispies.
I don't like them. I'm not a fan.
You just place this down.
Sorry. This is our kitchen. Sarah, next video?
No,
Why?
because you should never give anybody your house tour, or else somebody would like in their house and like, oh my god, oh my god, I go to this person's house because I know them, and I'm gonna kidnap the little girl. But that's a thing. So you should never give anybody your house tour. You failed at the karate chop.
Did you get this? Here.
Oh.
Sarah.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess we can play with Bella after this.
She's our neighbor.
Why do I feel like this should be a live stream instead? 'Cause we're just like acting like normal and just playing with slime.
I have no idea.
Because we're allowed to make live streams. We have
Don't
to-
you eat that.
I'm
She was trying to eat slime.
I was getting close to my face. What the heck? Why can't I do that?
My turn. Sarah, let me help you.
Wait.
Add the slime.
Please help me. Please help.
Finger. That. Please don't actually. Please, if you're going to make slime, get more activators than what we used.
So this is not my sister's video.
Yeah! I'm taking over her channel next.
What?
I can make a slime swirl. Sarah, come be my camera girl, like you were. Like
No, I'm playing with Bella.
Well, we're gonna go and play with our neighbor Bella. So, bye.
Now you're gonna quit.
Bye bye for now.
You're
Bye.
so